How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is the day we are going to be getting the car back from the body shop, painted or unpainted, who knows, and putting the engine back in it, putting the brakes on it, the new wheels, the new coilovers, everything like that. So like and subscribe to the channel because that's going to be happening in the next 2 weeks because I've got 19 days off work. So I'm gonna go up there now. I'll bring you along for the ride. Yeah, let's do it. Right guys, here we are. Car's back. Right, we are. Spin you around. Today we are going to sort out all the braking, suspension and whatnot. New wheels are going on. So yeah, as you know, the big brake kit don't fit with these 17-inch wheels that I've had on the car for years. So these are coming off, they're going on. We're getting the new brake calipers on. These discs are old already, they're only flipping not even been used yet. New suspension's going on. Shazam. Yeah, so swap these wheels off. Start with the coilovers, I think. Let's get it done. Right guys, the brakes. That's how they turned out after all done. See, good old Nismo. On eBay, I'll link it in the description anyway, the stickers anyway, if you wanted to do this yourself with a big brake kit. But red caliper paint, eBay sticker, job done. It's nowhere near perfect, but when you've got them underneath here, and those big old wheels over the top, they look mint, I think. But yeah, let's get cracking. Coilovers. Rip these bad boys up. There we go. Here we are, boys. One coilover in. Shazam. One brake caliper on. All solid. Ignore all this. This is all going to be rubbed away when we put our foot on the brake one time. But yeah, it's looking nice. Bit dirty. Let's get the wheel on. Moment of truth. Will we're not fitted. We've not tried this wheel yet. Will this wheel fit over the top of these calipers? I mean, they didn't, but look at the difference in the size. 17 inches and then 19 inches. And these are 10.5s with ET15. So let's give it a go, eh? See what happens. We have to have 2 hands for this, so I'm gonna put you on a tripod. Here we go. Oh, nice red caliper. Oh, loads of room. Obviously, handsome. Problem. Big old tyres. Rubbing. I'm not rubbing on that, I don't think. Rubbing on that? I think we are rubbing on that. Yeah, we're rubbing on that, look. So we need smaller tyre and a bit of a stretch on the tyre because these tyres are moosive. But other than that, it looks handsome. Ignore the dust. Race car. So I'm going to take these 2 front tyres off. We'll get a smaller tyre from, but I'm going to stick this backs on first and put this calipers on wrong because the nipple's facing down and apparently your nipples need to be up. Air goes up. So swap them over. Okay guys, let's see if a coilover in. Front coilover, shall I say. If anybody wants to know how to do coilovers, it's really simple. Excuse the grinding over there. It's literally that bolt there for the bottom, and then 2, 1, 2 on top. And that is literally it. Pull it out, wang a new one in. Obviously these are second hand, so they're already preset, as in like I'm not going to adjust them to what height I want because I'm not sure at the minute. Obviously we need to go and get some new tyres, so then I'll figure out how high and low we want it. But yeah, other caliper's almost on, so you tighten it up, and that is the other front done. While I'm here as well, boys, I'm bought myself some new brake pads for the rears. Concept of tuning. I'll link it in the description if you need some rear brake pads for your Skyline. Front coilovers, brakes, all in, and the back ones as well. There's the old rustic teen ones, but yeah, new ones. Boom. Straight in there, same as the fronts, the rears are. Two bolts at the top, and then just that one bolt there. Drops right out. Brakes are on, new pads in. Ignore the old rustic discs. I was going to clean these up, but I think I'm just going to buy new ones because I can't bother to scrub them down and paint them black. Obviously I wasn't going to paint that bit black. I mean, I could technically clean them up, but I can't be bothered at the minute. Let's chuck this wheel on, and that'll be the back wheels done.
Been trying to change what I've been trying to say. Words don't come straight from my head to my mouth. It's such a shame that it fell out of place. Was never me that was bringing you down. Why we always looking for more? Why we always looking for more? Why we always looking for more? Always looking for more. Why we always looking for more? Why we always looking for I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could change what you wanted. I wish that I could.
Right guys, that's it for this one anyway. Productive day. We got brakes on, a new big brake kit on. We got the new wheels on. Well, the 2 rear wheels anyway. The 2 front wheels are in the AMG at the minute. It's outside the house. First thing in the morning, I'm going to go to the tyre shop, get some smaller tyres on there so we can fit them on the car. And yeah, and we'll be sorted. Our new coilovers on as well, but that's a good bit of work today I've done, I must say myself. So like and subscribe to the channel. Lots more to do. Tomorrow we're back up there cracking on with some more stuff. But yeah, I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Take it easy.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm love.